Liver enemies. Stay away from these 7 damaging foods. Hi, I'm Alina. Welcome back to our health and wellness video. Today, we'll be exploring 7 foods that can have a negative impact on your liver and why it's crucial to avoid them. So let's dive right in. Number 1 on the list of foods that can negatively impact the liver is soy protein isolates. Soy protein isolates are proteins derived from soybeans, but they undergo a highly processed extraction method that involves using chemicals like hexane. Hexane is a petroleum byproduct and is known to be a neurotoxin, meaning it can be toxic to the nervous system, including the brain and nerves. The process of extracting soy protein isolates involves treating soybeans with hexane to separate the protein from the rest of the soybean components. This concentrated protein is then used as an ingredient in various food products, including diet shakes and protein bars, due to its high protein content. However, the use of hexane in the production of soy protein isolates raises concerns about its safety. Hexane residues may remain in the final product, and its neurotoxic properties can potentially harm the liver as well. The liver plays a critical role in detoxifying the body and metabolizing various substances, including those from the foods we consume. Excessive consumption of soy protein isolates, along with the potential presence of hexane residues, can put a strain on the liver and may lead to liver inflammation or other liver-related issues. Therefore, it is advisable to avoid products containing soy protein isolates and opt for healthier protein sources that are less processed and do not involve the use of neurotoxic chemicals like hexane. Number 2 on the list is fructose. Despite having a low glycemic index, fructose can have negative effects on the liver. The reason for this lies in how the body metabolizes fructose. Unlike other sugars, which can be processed by various cells in the body, fructose is primarily metabolized in the liver. When you consume foods high in fructose, such as those containing high fructose corn syrup, agave nectar, or certain fruits, the liver becomes responsible for breaking down and processing this sugar. This process can put a significant burden on the liver, especially when fructose is consumed in excess. One of the major concerns with excessive fructose consumption is the potential development of insulin resistance. Insulin resistance occurs when the cells in the body become less responsive to the hormone insulin, which is responsible for regulating blood sugar levels. As a result, the body may produce more insulin to compensate, leading to elevated insulin levels in the bloodstream. Over time, insulin resistance can contribute to various health issues, including type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome. Additionally, excessive fructose intake can also contribute to the development of a condition known as fatty liver disease. When the liver metabolizes fructose, it can convert some of it into fat. If fructose consumption is high and persistent, fat accumulation in the liver can occur, leading to fatty liver disease. Fatty liver disease can impair liver function and increase the risk of more severe liver conditions. To promote liver health, it is essential to be mindful of your fructose intake and avoid consuming excessive amounts of fructose-rich foods and beverages. Instead, focus on a balanced diet that includes a variety of whole foods, and limit the consumption of processed foods with added sugars, especially those high in fructose. By doing so, you can help support your liver's function and overall well-being. Number 3, let's dive into the topic of vegetable fats. Commonly found in vegetable oils, such as soybean, corn, canola, and cottonseed oil. While these oils might have been marketed as healthy alternatives, it's essential to understand their potential drawbacks. Firstly, vegetable oils are highly processed. The extraction process involves high heat and chemical solvents, which can lead to the formation of harmful compounds and oxidation of the fats. These processed oils can become rancid and contribute to inflammation in the body, including the liver. One specific concern with vegetable oils is their high content of omega-6 fatty acids. While omega-6 fatty acids are essential for the body, they need to be balanced with omega-3 fatty acids. In the typical Western diet, the ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids is skewed with an excessive intake of omega-6 fatty acids. This imbalance can promote inflammation and negatively impact various body functions, including liver health. Inflammation in the liver can be especially concerning because the liver is responsible for various vital functions, including detoxification and metabolism of nutrients. Chronic inflammation in the liver can lead to liver damage and impair its ability to perform these crucial tasks effectively. To promote better liver and overall health, it's wise to opt for healthier fats with a more balanced omega-6 to omega-3 ratio. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines have anti-inflammatory properties and can help counteract the effects of excessive omega-6 intake. Additionally, incorporating other sources of healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, and nuts can further support a balanced fatty acid profile and reduce inflammation in the body. By choosing healthier fats and reducing the consumption of processed vegetable oils, you can take positive steps towards supporting liver health and overall well-being. Remember, a well-balanced diet is key to maintaining optimal liver function and promoting a healthy lifestyle. Number 4, let's talk about whey protein powder. A popular supplement derived from milk and dairy. Whey protein is isolated and concentrated from milk, making it a convenient source of high-quality protein for many fitness enthusiasts and athletes. However, there are some concerns associated with its use. When whey protein is isolated and processed into a powder form, it undergoes significant refinement and separation from other components present in milk. This concentrated protein, devoid of its natural counterparts, may not be as well tolerated by the body as when consumed in its natural form. One potential issue with isolated whey protein is its ability to promote inflammation in the body, including the liver. Some studies have suggested that whey protein isolates can trigger an inflammatory response, especially when consumed in large quantities or by individuals with existing sensitivities. Moreover, whey protein, when isolated and consumed in excessive amounts, may lead to liver toxicity. The liver plays a crucial role in processing and detoxifying substances in the body. When the liver is overwhelmed by the processing of excessive protein, it may struggle to handle the load, potentially leading to liver stress and toxicity. To avoid these potential issues, it is advisable to consume protein in its natural form, as found in whole food sources like milk, yogurt, and cheese. Whole food sources of protein come with their accompanying fats and other nutrients, which can provide a better balanced and more easily digestible protein source for the body. For those seeking protein supplementation, alternatives like plant-based protein powders or other dairy-free options can be considered. Additionally, including a variety of protein sources in the diet, such as lean meats, legumes, nuts, and seeds, can ensure a well-rounded intake of essential amino acids and nutrients without overburdening the liver. Ultimately, the key takeaway is to be mindful of the amount and form of protein consumed, and to opt for whole food sources whenever possible. By doing so, you can support liver health and overall well-being in the long run. Number 5, let's delve into the topic of maltodextrin, a synthetic sugar that is often used as a filler in a wide range of processed foods. Maltodextrin is derived from starch, and its primary purpose is to enhance the texture, consistency, and flavor of various food products. One significant concern with maltodextrin is its impact on blood sugar levels. Despite being derived from starch, maltodextrin is rapidly broken down by the body into glucose, sugar. As a result, consuming foods containing maltodextrin can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels, leading to a sudden surge of energy. However, this rapid increase in blood sugar is often followed by a sharp drop, leading to feelings of fatigue, hunger, and cravings for more sugary foods. This cycle of high and low blood sugar levels can contribute to overeating and may ultimately lead to weight gain, especially if maltodextrin-containing foods are consumed frequently and in large quantities. Moreover, excessive consumption of maltodextrin can be detrimental to liver health. The liver plays a crucial role in processing and regulating blood sugar levels. When the body is consistently exposed to high levels of sugar, the liver has to work harder to metabolize and store the excess glucose. Over time, this can lead to fat accumulation in the liver, resulting in a condition known as fatty liver. Fatty liver is a significant health concern as it can impair liver function and increase the risk of more severe liver issues, such as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, and liver inflammation. To safeguard your health, it is essential to be cautious and read food labels to identify maltodextrin in the ingredients list. Limiting the consumption of processed foods that contain maltodextrin can help you avoid potential issues related to blood sugar spikes, weight gain, and fatty liver. Instead of relying on heavily processed foods, opt for a balanced diet rich in whole foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. This will provide your body with a more steady and sustainable source of energy, without subjecting your liver to the negative effects of excessive sugar consumption. Number 6, beware of aflatoxins. Aflatoxins are toxic substances produced by certain types of fungi, particularly Aspergillus species. These toxins can contaminate various agricultural products, with peanuts and corn being particularly susceptible. Aflatoxins are potent carcinogens and have a harmful effect on the liver. When peanuts and corn are grown or stored in moist conditions, it creates an environment conducive to fungal growth and aflatoxin production. As a result, these foods can become contaminated with aflatoxins, posing a risk to human health when consumed. The liver is responsible for processing and detoxifying many substances in the body, including harmful toxins like aflatoxins. When aflatoxins are ingested, the liver attempts to break them down and eliminate them from the body. However, excessive exposure to aflatoxins can overwhelm the liver's detoxification capacity, leading to liver damage and impairing its normal function. To protect your liver and overall health, it is essential to be cautious about the sources of peanuts and corn you consume. Opt for drier peanuts like Valencia peanuts, as they are less likely to be contaminated with aflatoxins due to their lower moisture content. Additionally, choosing organic and properly stored corn can reduce the risk of aflatoxin exposure. It's crucial to store peanuts and corn in cool, dry environments to prevent fungal growth and aflatoxin contamination. Be sure to check for any signs of mold or spoilage before consuming these foods. By being vigilant and mindful of the quality and storage conditions of peanuts and corn, you can minimize the risk of aflatoxin exposure and protect your liver from potential harm caused by these liver-toxic toxins. Last, number 7. Let's talk about MSG. Let's dive into the topic of MSG, also known as monosodium glutamate. MSG is a flavor enhancer commonly used in many processed and restaurant foods to improve taste and increase the savory or umami flavor. One of the concerns associated with MSG consumption is its potential to cause fluid retention. When consumed in excess, MSG can lead to the retention of water and sodium in the body, resulting in temporary swelling and bloating. This is particularly concerning for individuals with certain health conditions like hypertension or heart problems, as excessive fluid retention can exacerbate these issues. Additionally, MSG has been linked to liver toxicity in some studies. The liver plays a vital role in detoxifying the body and processing various substances, including food additives like MSG. When the liver is exposed to high levels of MSG or is consistently processing large quantities of it, it can become overwhelmed, potentially leading to liver stress and damage. It is crucial to be mindful of MSG consumption and read food labels carefully. MSG can be found in a variety of processed foods, including snacks, soups, sauces, and restaurant meals. It may also be hidden under the name modified food starch in some products. By checking food labels, you can identify products containing MSG and make more informed choices about what you consume. For those concerned about the potential negative effects of MSG, opting for whole and minimally processed foods can be a safer approach. Preparing homemade meals using fresh ingredients allows you to control the amount of additives like MSG in your diet. As with any dietary component, moderation is key. While MSG in small amounts is generally considered safe for most people, excessive consumption should be avoided to mitigate the risk of fluid retention and potential liver toxicity. In summary, staying vigilant about MSG content in processed foods and choosing a balanced diet centered around whole, nutritious foods can help support liver health and overall well-being. Now, let's address the topic of red meat. Certainly. Let's delve into the topic of red meat and its potential impact on liver health. Red meat, such as beef, lamb, and pork, is a good source of protein, vitamins, and minerals, including iron. Iron is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in the body, as it is involved in transporting oxygen in the blood and supporting various cellular processes. For most individuals, moderate consumption of red meat is not harmful to the liver or overall health. The liver is equipped to handle and process moderate amounts of iron from the diet effectively. However, excessive consumption of iron-rich foods, including red meat, can be problematic for some individuals. Certain individuals may have difficulty regulating their iron levels in the body, leading to a condition called iron overload or hemochromatosis. In these cases, excess iron can accumulate in various organs, including the liver, and become toxic. Chronic iron overload can damage liver cells and contribute to liver inflammation, fibrosis, and even progress to more severe conditions like cirrhosis. Individuals with hereditary hemochromatosis or other conditions that cause iron overload should be particularly cautious with their dietary iron intake, including from red meat. It is essential for them to work closely with their healthcare providers to manage their iron levels through appropriate dietary and medical interventions. For the general population without iron metabolism disorders, moderate consumption of red meat can be a part of a balanced diet without causing harm to the liver. It's all about maintaining a healthy balance and diversity in the diet. Remember, a well-balanced diet includes a variety of protein sources, such as poultry, fish, legumes, and plant-based proteins, in addition to occasional red meat consumption. This approach ensures a wide range of nutrients and supports liver health without subjecting the liver to excessive iron intake. As always, if you have any concerns or questions about your diet and its potential impact on your liver health, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian who can provide personalized guidance and recommendations based on your individual health needs. Ending on a positive note, let's talk about the incredible benefits of the cruciferous family of vegetables for your liver health. Cruciferous vegetables, which include arugula, kale, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts, are packed with a wide array of nutrients and compounds that support the liver's function and detoxification processes. One of the key components found in these vegetables is a group of compounds called glucosinolates. When cruciferous vegetables are chewed or chopped, glucosinolates are broken down into biologically active compounds, such as sulforaphane, indole-3-carbinol, and isothiocyanates. These compounds have been shown to have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can help protect the liver from oxidative stress and inflammation. Moreover, cruciferous vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamins C, E, and K, as well as folate and calcium. These nutrients play essential roles in supporting liver function and overall health. Additionally, the high fiber content of cruciferous vegetables aids in digestion and promotes bowel regularity. Efficient digestion and elimination are vital for the liver's detoxification processes, as waste and toxins are effectively removed from the body. Furthermore, cruciferous vegetables contain compounds that can enhance the liver's detoxification pathways. These vegetables can stimulate enzymes in the liver responsible for breaking down and eliminating harmful substances from the body. Including a variety of cruciferous vegetables in your diet can have a profound impact on liver health and overall well-being. Aim to consume a diverse selection of these veggies, either raw or lightly cooked, to maximize their nutrient content and benefits. Overall, adding cruciferous vegetables like arugula, kale, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts to your meals regularly can be a simple yet powerful way to support your liver's health and ensure your body's natural detoxification processes are working optimally. So make sure to savor the flavors and reap the rewards these nutritious vegetables offer. And there you have it. By avoiding these harmful foods and embracing a diet rich in liver-friendly choices, you can take better care of your liver and overall well-being. Stay tuned for more health tips, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future updates. I hope that this video was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching.